And today I'm going to show you how I built this. This is a gun, and over here. Hold on, guys. Sorry. Hold on. And this, it's supposed to represent an S for my name. Well, I cut some pieces of wood with, let me show you.
You can lay things down on the chair too.
This saw, with this saw, I cut the wood, and then I used these screws.
Yep.
Screws. I put some screws right here to put it down, and then that's probably all. And then how I made this, I put this wood right here, and then I put some, actually I put nails right here, and then I banged them down with this hammer. Boom. Oh yeah.
What'd you forget?
I forgot to tell you guys, I used this to screw those nails in. Anyways, where I was at, yeah. I banged the nails into this, and then I found
Cardboard tube.
a cardboard tube. I took the
Lids off, the
The-
ends off.
the ends off of it, and then I cut with a big
You don't
scissors. I cut that off, and then I cut that off, and then I used this staple gun, and then I stapled it. Let me show you. Right there. See that? Right there. Here's Papaw Ivan. He helped me make this.
Photobombing.
Yay, Papaw Ivan!
Now, that's pretty much all. So see you later. Goodbye. Peace.